Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Ford F-100, spanning from its classic 1970 model to the modern 2025 version. This iconic pickup truck has seen numerous transformations over the decades, each bringing something new to the table while retaining the essence that made it a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Let's start with the 1970 Ford F-100. This model was part of the fifth generation, produced between 1967 and 1972. The 1970 F-100 featured a rugged and utilitarian design, with a larger cab and sharper lines compared to its predecessors. The interior was basic but functional, with durable materials that could withstand the rigors of daily use. Performance-wise, the 1970 F-100 offered a range of engine options, including the reliable 240 cubic inch inline-six and the more powerful 390 cubic inch V8. Prices for a new 1970 F-100 started at around $2,500, making it an affordable option for many Americans at the time. Moving on to the 1980s, the F-100 continued to evolve. The 1980 model introduced a more aerodynamic design, with improved fuel efficiency and a more comfortable interior. The dashboard was updated with more modern controls, and the seats were more supportive. Under the hood, the F-100 offered a variety of engines, including the fuel-efficient 300 cubic inch inline-six and the powerful 460 cubic inch V8. Prices for the 1980 F-100 started at around $6,000. Reflecting the advancements in technology and comfort. The 1990s saw the F-100 transition into the F-150, but for the sake of this review, we'll continue to refer to it as the F-100. The 1990 model featured a more refined exterior design, with smoother lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The interior was significantly upgraded, with more comfortable seating, better sound insulation, and advanced features like power windows and air conditioning. Performance-wise, the 1990 F-100 offered a range of engines, including the efficient 4.9-liter inline-six and the powerful 5.8-liter V8. Prices for the 1990 F-100 started at around $12,000, reflecting the increased comfort and technology. As we move into the 2000s, the F-100 continued to improve. The 2000 model featured a more modern design, with a sleeker exterior and a more luxurious interior. The dashboard was updated with advanced controls, and the seats were more comfortable and supportive. Under the hood, the 2000 F-100 offered a range of engines, including the efficient 4.2-liter V6 and the powerful 5.4-liter V8. Prices for the 2000 F-100 started at around $20,000, reflecting the advancements in technology and comfort. The 2010 saw the F-100 continue to evolve, with the 2010 model featuring a more modern design and advanced technology. The exterior was sleeker and more aerodynamic, while the interior was more luxurious and comfortable. The dashboard was updated with advanced controls, and the seats were more comfortable and supportive. Performance-wise, the 2010 F-100 offered a range of engines, including the efficient 3.7-liter V6 and the powerful 6.2-liter V8. Prices for the 2010 F-100 started at around $30,000, reflecting the increased comfort and technology. Finally, we arrive at the 2025 Ford F-100. This model represents the pinnacle of the F-100's evolution, combining classic design elements with modern technology and performance. The exterior features a bold and aggressive design, with a large grille and sleek lines. The interior is luxurious and comfortable, with advanced features like a digital dashboard, premium materials, and advanced safety technology. Under the hood, the 2025 F-100 offers a range of engines, including a turbocharged V6, a hybrid option, and even an all-electric version. Prices for the 2025 F-100 start at around $40,000, reflecting the advanced technology and performance. In conclusion, the Ford F-100 has come a long way since its introduction in 1970. Each generation has brought new advancements in design, comfort, and performance, making it one of the most popular and enduring pickup trucks on the market. Whether you're a fan of the classic 1970 model or the modern 2025 version, There's no denying the F-100's impact on the automotive world. Thank you for watching our comprehensive review of the Ford F-100. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and content. See you next time.